How to return items on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can return items on the Shein app, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to return items on the Shein app, maybe you purchased something, the order has been delivered to you, you're not satisfied with the product. It also depends upon how long the order has already been processed with, because if it's already been over a week or two old, and in that case the return or the refund process could actually only be just a minute and you might not be able to cancel it, because Shein app also have a specific policy, and if you're past that return policy then you will not be able to go ahead and return the product. But if you think you're eligible for it, then what you can do is simply go ahead and open the Shein application here. Once you launch a Shein app, you want to make sure to simply sign into your account, and then you want to tap the me icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the me option from the bottom right, you're going to be taken to this page where under my orders you can say returns. If there are any of the items that you've applied for a return before, you will be able to find them here. But if there are basically all orders, then you can just go to all orders tab, select an order you would like to return, hit the return button, you'll most likely find them here, and then it will ask you for a couple of other information such as taking the photo of the product and so on to apply for a return process. This way you can return items on Shein. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.